friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn alphabets and their phonic sounds. So let's get started. A for apple and so A for apple and B for bat ball. So B for bat and ball. C for cat carrot. So C for cat and carrot. D for dog drum. So D for dog and drum. E for egg eagle. So E for egg and eagle. F for fish fan. So F for fish and fan. G for gun grapes. So G for gun and grapes. H for hat hen. So H for hat hen. I for ice cream igloo. So I for ice cream and igloo. J for jug jam. So J for jug and jam. K for kite key. So K for kite and key. L for lion lollipop. So L for lion and lollipop. M for monkey mouse. So M for monkey and mouse. N for nest net. So N for nest and net. O for orange owl. So O for orange and owl. P for parrot peas. So P for parrot and peas. Q for queen. So Q for queen and queen. R for rabbit rose. So R for rabbit and rose. S for sun snail. So S for sun and snail. T for tiger TV. So T for tiger and TV. U for umbrella uncle. So U for umbrella and uncle. V for van vulture. So V for van vulture. W for watch wood. So W for watch and wool. X. X for Xbox, Xmas tree. So X for Xbox and Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak, yellow. So Y for yak and yellow. Z. Z for zebra, zoo. So Z for zebra and zoo. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. See you again. Bye bye and click on that button.